It's a new day. Okay, before we start, थोड़ा सा context. Past few days has been a roller coaster. कुछ से कुछ हो रहा है. Transformer जल गया था and there was no possibility of electricity for next 10 to 12 days or 15 days maybe, but somehow magically the next day we have a new transformer. Somehow magically the government system works, and I'm surprised. It's something that should feel a basic necessity, that should feel normal, feels like a privilege, and that's the reality of India. Okay, so enough of ranting. I think my voice is quite clear. Past few days I have been solving from the last Sunday, that is this Sunday. Sundays I solved one. Monday, because of the stream cutting midway, I solved one, and last day because there was no electricity I solved one. So I hope today I can solve 2 or more. Okay. I'm happy that I could stay consistent despite all these ups and downs, and that's a great thing. So without wasting any time, I'm going to solve 2 or more 1080 problem as fast as possible. I feel I'm now comfortable with 1000, and from 1 I will be moving to 1100. That's the motto: 1 month 1 rating. And if I follow this sincerely, by September I will be around 1900. But to be confident with solving being candidate master, I have to be able to reach 2200. So I believe doing 1 month 200 jump will be a thing. Okay, let's see. Maybe I should move to 1100 and 1200. This range I should practice, and 1 month I should be well versed with this range. Okay. I will be sharing the Brave browser. That's me. Great. This was surprising, and the electricity coming just the next day. It's like the most surprising part of the entire year, I believe. So yeah, I will be solving these 2: numeric string template and the card game. Okay, I believe these are pretty easy. 30 to 40,000 solves. I should not be so full of myself. Okay, so what is the time now? 26. Let's aim for a 10-minute rundown. Christina had an array A called a template consisting of forgot. Okay, I have a spare notebook, I can use it. Enough pages or something. Oh, I have the pages, so no worries. Great. Christina has a string called template, array called template, consists of n integers, also has m strings, each consisting of only of lowercase Latin letters. The string are numbered from 1 to m. He wants to check which string matches the template. Okay. Latin letter strings are numbered from 1 to m. Wants to check which string matches the template. A string S is considered to match the template if all of the following conditions are simultaneously satisfied. The length of the string is equal to the number of elements in the array A. Okay, length should be same as the size of the array. Okay, number of elements in the array. Okay, size of the array. The same number from A correspond to the same symbol from S. Great. The same symbol from S corresponds to the same number to A. Reverse compatibility, that is. I equals to Sj, AI equals to Aj. The same number from A correspond to the same symbol from S. Okay. In other words, there must be one-to-one correspondence between the character of the string and the number of the array. For example, 35213, then the string ABFDA matches the template, while the string AFBFA doesn't match the grade. Okay, 3 represents A, so 3 is for all A. Does not. No. Okay. There is some type of encoding decoding problem. We have n as the length, then we have the array, then we have m strings. Okay, lowercase Latin letters. Okay, how do we match these now? Okay, there should be a way to memorize each, right? And what is the 2 seconds? 2 seconds means 10 to the power 8 into 10 to the power 8. Okay, so we can do things in big of n, and we are said that guarantee that the sum of n across all test cases does not exceed 10 to the power. Okay, that's great. That will ensure that if I do big of n across all the test cases, then I will have. Okay, that's decent. Okay. So we can do big of n on all. Okay. Now what we can do is map it out, right? The ASCII to this. I don't think this will be difficult. If lowercase Latin letters, we don't need a map. Okay, we don't need a map. If it's -1, then we add the new encoding, and if already present, we check it. Okay. So what do we want to? Yes, no. So we have 2 here, 3 here, and 4 here. So 7 and 8, 9. So 3, 3, 3. Yeah, great. For every line we have to print if it matches the string or not. Great. It's easy. I think I should directly move to coding without any delay. Okay. What do we have here as input? That as a array, a size, a array, size, and count of strings. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. m into big O of n. Do we have a zero correspondence or every correspondence? Oh, okay. A can be 0 too, and it can be negative number also. So, okay, all numbers are pretty valuable. So, how do I make sure that we have found this number? The placeholder won't make sense. Yeah. Sentinel won't make sense because this is also a possible value. So, what we can fill this with is 0 is also a possible value in it. If say we have -1 and the new value is also -1, and second time we find the same character and we see -1, won't the algorithm get confused and try to rehash it? I think a better thing will be we can assign a vector here. It will be bool that will say found or not, and the next thing will be its thing. So the pair hash is now default is false and filled with default value. Okay, that is 0. Hash size will be 26. Okay, and filled with default values. Now what we do, you do a hash, okay, and okay, the index is the character, so hash c minus a, this will give me the index. If dot first equals to true, false matlab not found, then what we do, hash, ठीक है, hash this index dot 1 equals to the current value that we are seeing. So I think we need to have all the strings, and then we can check on the, we have the v, so what index it is, vi, correct, yeah. Now for the same, for the string it will always be vi, right? So we want to iterate on the string if it's first if s dot size is not equal to n, cout no, not possible, and we can go to the new line, okay. else we do a for loop on the string, remove this for and s, okay, si, we are simultaneously checking each string, okay. else if the hash of s I minus a dot first, or you say 0, you can say to be 02, no offense, equals to true, that means it has already been found and we want to check it. Else if it is true and the hash of the si, the index, we are doing it wrong. Okay, so hash of the character, and SA will give me the position, yeah, this is correct. Hash of this character, what it has stored, dot the value, I want the value is equal to what v has to offer, then we continue. If it's not equals to v, then what we do, we say you are no, then we break this loop, right? Break off this loop and exit this thing. If all of these works, and then I think the string is cout break, then it will break off the for loop, right? Yeah, then you can yes and go to the next line, right? Yeah. Let me test it out. I think it should work. without too much complication. Basically, we are seeing the string if that's the basic thing we can do, right? We need to flush out the hash every time. Yeah, we need to flush out the swap hash with vector pair char int that is empty. Or we can just create this every time. Flushing it is easier. Okay. Okay, this won't work. We can do this thing. Was it called swap or we can do is we can reassign it every time taking a string. Let's see how crazy this is. No match for this operator. Is it assignable? Let's check it out. Let's see if this is correct. Let's see, we have a no first, then yes, then I think this is messed up. We have 12 responses here, we need 9. Then we need to break, right? Break of the for loop, or do we need to continue? If break happens, then we don't continue the for loop, right? Then if the for loop doesn't continue, then this Break would destroy. Let's try with break and see. Okay, this thing will do the problem. Yeah, definitely break won't. Continue. And the break here, I believe, is the break for this for loop. Yeah, that is correct. Not working. We are moving on the string, right? So the first character will have index. The first character represented as a int char ind. Char का corresponding index will be this, right? So char का corresponding index, the second, that is in the value, is this thing in the true. And CIND, तो डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू क्या है? अच्छा एक बार देख लेते हैं डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू और ऑटो वेक्टर का दो ही वैल्यू है, बट ठीक है। और ऑटो IT from hash, then we see out the ID dot first, we see out the ID dot second, and do a space. This was the default value, it is one is true, right? Everything is 0, so okay, that means default value is true and that value is also default value is false and the int value is also 0. Okay, so the size Let's see which node it is. Oh, we are not doing the for loop for the vector. Yeah. Shit. Auto and IT from VC in IT. Man, that was bad. So yeah. Okay. So ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. Okay. Okay, we get exactly 9 values and we have some wrong assumptions here. Great. So so मुझे यार इतना टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए. My vector, we have this. Okay. Okay, I forgot. Okay. This trick is neat. Actually, forgot about that. Okay. This thing, actually, could be written like this, right? And this thing could exist outside without being created again and again. I think this will work. Segmentation fault. We are creating a vector every time. This is the same as keeping it inside, I believe. We will see, but the answer is not quite correct. Yes, then we are failing on this too. Yes, then this no should be eliminated, right? Okay. So this is coming to be a yes, ABF. So let's check which node is. We can then differentiate. ये implementation में अगर फंस गया तो increase होना है. Okay, almost this no is never hit, right? So for loop we are hitting the scene. Okay, there's a big mistake here. We are never setting it to true, right? So need to set it to true. Yeah, that was the mistake. Oh, now it's found, right? I think this will work. Yes, no, then two yes, no. No is okay. This yes is not appreciated. That is the fourth yes. Then a yes, then a no. We have a lot more than so after this thing we are breaking and then printing this thing. So we are checking this, we are continuing. After this no to the next iteration, but if you are moving here and we are breaking out of this loop, then we are printing this thing, right? So okay. Possible or not, it's initially true. So we set the pause to false and we break it. Okay. Now if pause is true, then this, else see out. No, right? Right. This should work, right? Nine lines, and we have yes, no, then yes, then no, then yes, no, yes. Okay, we have reached the correct thing, and okay, we are doing the swap thing, and it's taking around this time 9.4 to the power minus 5. Let's keep this inside and see what's the difference. 9.4 to the power minus 5. It's taking even less time, so keep something inside, and yeah, we are ready to go. Let's submit it and check. Reward gets submitted. Oh, फंस गया. फंस रहा है. 37th token expected, no found. Yes. How do I get this 37th token? One thing I didn't test is what if the okay, so this thing, let's test for a single test case. I think it's getting a answer for this. What are the cases when it can match and I'm saying no to that? It's already 0. I've eliminated the chance of things being 0. अरे यार ये जल्दी हो जाना चाहिए था. Wrong answer. Expected found yes. Expected no, found yes. Okay. If the टेस्ट केसेस कैसा है? साइज 3 नो, लेंथ 5 ही रह रहा है, most probably 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 15, 19, 21, 22, 25, 29, 30, 3, 34, 35, 36, 37. Okay, great. Okay, so 38th test case, that means if I count from this side, I think I can get the 38th test case. 37th, to be precise. 5 and we have 5. We have 10 here, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, 18 plus 4 is 22, 22 plus 3 is 25, 26, 28, 32, 34, 37, 'This is the test case I need, maybe. Let's see. इसमें लेंथ we can no आना चाहिए, then we can expect a yes and then no. Okay, YOR is giving a wrong answer and I don't know the reason. I'm getting a yes. So okay. So let's check the hash for loop में एक बार hash print करके देख लेते हैं. Okay, so all the letters are unique here. Okay, so it was found. अच्छा, ये न्यू कैरेक्टर है, ये न्यू कैरेक्टर है, तो it was never seen, so should we make decision on characters or the array itself? तो अगर array के हिसाब से कर रहे हैं तो you have a lot of numbers. ये कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं पोज करेगा. दिस विल ऑल्सो नेवर, ये अपना हैश करके चला जाएगा, बट वी नो दैट एंड वी कैन चेक कि सेम कैरेक्टर दो बार आ रहा है कि नहीं. राइट, फाइनल चेक हो सकता है, और वी कैन डू हैशिंग बेस्ड ऑन नंबर itself की 3 है. For 3 I am expecting y. So the index ठीक है. If I use a map for 3, going to use a map. You don't know the range. You're not counting the frequency, you're checking just if you do an ordered map that is of char and int char, and then we can do a thing like doesn't make sense if this character is already seen or not. I don't want to know. I just want to know कि this number was present. तो अगर हाँ ये कैरेक्टर जैसे कोई नंबर के लिए कोई कैरेक्टर यूज हो चुका है, तो आई नो दिस कैरेक्टर हैज बीन यूज्ड. मैप में हम लोग फाइंड कर रहे हैं तो वो तो हो जाएगा ना इजी। इंटू पावर 9 4 बिट 1 बाइट होता है। 4 बिट 1 बाइट 4 बाइट इंट होता है। So crazy big number of things like that. Basically, you can do is if an integer is seen, we can do another thing. We can map out all the same characters and check if every number has the same character. Then we can do this for all the numbers. So this will need what? To check add numbers. Then I will need a vector to store all the chars. अरे यार इतना इजी चीज है, मेकिंग टू कॉम्प्लेक्स। रीड करो, रीड द स्ट्रिंग, ठीक है, स्ट्रिंग को रीड करो एंड iterate करो the numbers. Log and so we can do a sorting thing जहाँ पर सारे numbers और उसके corresponding characters एक जगह आ जाते हैं, right? We can do a sorting thing. क्या करेंगे कि sort कर देते हैं, तो सारी threes एक जगह आ गया एंड नंबर चेंज हो रहा है। तो we can store the index where which will have a new character. Values will new address, right? So ये जो 3 है this actually belong to, that will be more complex. तो क्या कर सकते हैं इस 3 को pretty easy thing है, easy वाले में ही ज़्यादा टाइम। That means वो character found हो गया, and if and MPP वो value पहली बार ही करेंगे। MPP VI वो नंबर का जो भी कैर corresponding कैर है, ये कैर देगा equals to SI, तो not equals to, तो cout no नहीं होगा, we can break from this, right? no print करने का ब्रेक कर सकते। ये हो गया कि अगर मैप में ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट करता है और वो वैल्यू का जो भी कैरेक्टर कोरस्पॉन्डिंग वो करेंट कैरेक्टर से मैच नहीं कर रहा है, तो एल्स फाइंड नहीं हो रहा है। अगर ये हो गया, अब हो सकता है ये ट्रू है और ये फॉल्स है, मतलब मैच नहीं हो रहा, मतलब मैच हो रहा है, तो मैच हो रहा तो बहुत अच्छा बात है। No. मतलब कि एल्स इफ अगर वो एग्जिस्ट करता है एंड इक्वल है तो कोई करना नहीं है, बट वो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता तो क्या करना है? एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता तो मैप में इस वैल्यू के लिए वो कैरेक्टर स्टोर कर लेना है, ठीक है। एक बूल रख लेते हैं, इसके लिए नहीं, इसके लिए बूल पॉसिबल इनिशियली फॉल्स रहेगा, ये पॉज को फॉल्स कर देता है एंड ये इनिशियली ट्रू रहेगा। If pause is true, then see out true. See out yes. New line else see out no. New line, right? Okay. Before we start this, I just want to print size of the string equals to s dot size, right? If the size is not equal to n, then we see out no. We give a new line and we break this. We continue this loop to the. We continue this to the new iteration, right? How to take this then? Okay. Please work. देख, ये जो मैप डॉट फाइंड है ये बीगो ऑफ एन का है। log n, ठीक है। This is log n, this is n, तो n log n, ठीक है, n log n, and this is m for m strings, so m into n log n. So it has given कि सारे जो m है उसका जो all m's जो पूरा साइज है, this thing will be around 10 to the power 5 and log n, that is maybe n का size का base 2 log will be max to max 10, ठीक है। So I believe ये हो सकता है। और बंद करो। Let's test it out. चलेगा? चलना तो चाहिए। फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग है, रात को स्ट्रीम करना इज नॉट गुड आइडिया। अरे यार ये तो पूरा ही उल्टा हो रहा है। I'm getting stuck on these type of things. I don't know. These are pretty simple things. Yes होना चाहिए, no होना चाहिए, no then ये दोनों भी no होना चाहिए, फिर yes no yes है। ठीक है, तो this is getting a yes. Getting a yes. And this trigger is never hitting. So yes, this is getting a yes. This is getting a yes. If IT is not equal to means found हो गया, फाउंड हो गया एंड जो भी फाउंड हुआ है वो करंट कैर के बराबर नहीं है, तो सी आउट ये भी तो हो सकता है ना कि एंड करे तो 0 लेके आ जाएगा। ये क्या हो रहा है? इस वाले में नो आना चाहिए, सो इट शुड एंटर दिस थिंग, these ones। देखते हैं, not entering it, not entering। 0 मीन्स फॉल्स। तो एले स्ट्रिंग के लिए देख रहे हैं कि क्या 4 बार ये हो रहा है। ठीक है, पहला जो कैर है 3 है, तो इफ find vi, cannot find it, and 5 cannot find it, 2 cannot find it, and 1 लास्ट वाला फाइंड हो गया। तो ये चारों के लिए I cannot find it, right? false है, तो दिस इज false, तो यहाँ नहीं घुसना है। लास्ट वाले में फाउंड ये ट्रू था, एंड कितना था कि लास्ट वाले में तो घुसना था अंदर ना। तो MPP-vi जो है वो एक कैरेक्टर देगा मेरे को। अच्छा, क्या चेकिंग की ये वाला मैच कर रहा है कि नहीं, उल्टा हैंड ये भी मैच नहीं करना है। दोनों कंपैटिबिलिटी चेक करना है। ये चेक किया, उल्टा चेक भी कर लेते हैं। एक उल्टा चेक भी कर लेते हैं फॉर लूप में। जितना कैर है जब जा रहे थे वेक्टर ये बना लेते हैं कि okay, now for every char I see, this is a check. If hash, इसमें ये इंडेक्स दे देते हैं डॉट फर्स्ट इक्वल्स टू फॉल्स, मतलब कि अभी तो वो एलिमेंट दिखाई नहीं गया है. They're concerned about the character being seen or not, right? If seen है and hash में CIND will give me a number equals to VI, not equals to VI, seen है and not equals to VI, then this thing else if क्या है कि मतलब नहीं देखा गया है, कभी नहीं गया है. सीन नॉट सीन तो नहीं देखा गया है. इसका मतलब क्या करना है, सीन CIND को मार्क कर देना देखा गया है एंड हैश में इस CIND में वैल्यू भर देना ये. ओ भाई 25 minutes हो गए. Taking too long to solve these kind of problems. No, yes. ओके, अब शायद चल जाए. इजी हो रहा है. एंड द लाइव स्ट्रीम इज आल्सो लाइव. सबमिट किया था ना? नहीं, सबमिट नहीं किया. या ओ भाई, करने में इतना टाइम क्यों लगा? डोंट नो. Let's see how others did. Today intense. वेक्टर लिया, रीड किया, इंट लिया, स्ट्रिंग्स के लिए रीड किया, रीड कर रहे हैं, स्ट्रिंग का साइज देख रहे हैं. सही है. एक मैप ले रहे हैं, 2 मैप ले रहे हैं एक्चुअली में. मैप के अंदर वेक्टर रख रहे हैं. इतना भी सेम जो हम बोल रहे थे कि सेम जैसे 3 है, all the 3s and its indexes are pushed here. It's like मैप में सारा पेयर्स पुश कर रहे हैं क्रॉस कंपैटिबिलिटी के लिए. उल्टा साइड, कैरेक्टर द वैल्यू द कैरेक्टर, एंड वी आर जस्ट चेकिंग इट. ब्रूट फोर्स, प्लेन सिंपल लॉजिक, कोई फैंसी चीज़ नहीं. 2 चेक एंड यू आर डन. बस ओवर थिंक कर रहे हैं कि मैप लेना चाहिए नहीं लेना चाहिए. Instead you should have done it and gotten TLE, which was a better thing than spending so much time on it. ये रिवर्स कंपैटिबिलिटी अभी पता चला. अच्छा, सॉल्व. दिस इज एक्चुअली बेटर क्योंकि पुश कर रहे हैं. आई एम जस्ट चेकिंग कि चेक. एक फंक्शन बना दिया, इनलाइन फंक्शन, इसमें सॉर्ट कर रहा है. एंड तो बहुत क्रेजी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी के साथ बनाया. स्टिल गॉट, क्योंकि 2 सेकेंड इज यू थिंक क्वाइट जेनरस, राइट? टूरिस्ट का क्या सोल्यूशन है? I think this will be it for today क्योंकि late night sessions are not my thing. वो तो इसका कोड और crazy है. Input as कॉपी बना दिया A का, रेंज सॉर्ट किया, और उसके बाद रीसाइज किया यूनिक लगा के. उसके बाद फॉर लूप चलाया गया, बहुत STL, फिर वाइल. ओके, तो बेसिकली कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी के बाद में नहीं सोचना है. ऑप्टिमाइजेशन के बारे में सोचते सोचते इतना प्रॉब्लम हुआ है कि एन लॉग एन ये वो हो जाएगा कि नहीं. बट ठीक है. ठीक ही है. I did it in a concise way. Strings read कर रहे हैं and things like that. There's no better way to do it. Just raw brute force. Great. Okay, that's it for today. Mm, I will be solving जो कि आज भी नहीं हुआ 2 hours more. We'll see. And I think the stream should be because सुबह में वो तो things are quite streamlined and smooth. Okay, great. So that's it for today. See you in the next one.